Alrighty, here is the MERACH. It's a very nice bike, very sturdy. I'm gonna try to give you my pros, the cons, everything I can about this bike here and show you all the details. Cause as of July, this bike I think weighs in at 566 bucks as of July. Now we know inflation comes, it may go up, it may go down, whatever. So here we are. Very heavy duty. It weighs a lot. Solid construction. Seats nice and cushiony, although I'm gonna change the seat. I like the fact that, here's a pro, that you could literally take this off and just add another seat to it. So to move the seat forward and backwards, some bikes don't have this, but this one does. You can slide it back. It has the numbers on there to remind you, hey, where you were. My daughter's gonna get on here and show you how quiet this thing is in a minute after I do this. So you do that and you just tighten it back up. I untightened it too much. Okay, there we go. Now it's in place. Untwist that. You can let the seat up and down. It's very easy. I won't demonstrate that. It's literally too easy. Plus I want to have it down for my daughter. Here she is right here. Okay, so nice logo on the side. Some wheels on the front there. Because in order for this to be moved, you can pick it up. I can pick it up. It weighs about 80 pounds, I think, 85 pounds. Or almost 100. No, it's about 85, 90 pounds. Yeah, definitely 85, 90 pounds. Let me see real quick. Yeah, it's pretty heavy. Probably about 85 pounds. So yeah, I think it's very heavy duty. The wheels on the front. Like I said, if you lean it forward, you lean the bike forward, and then you're able to roll on those. I'm doing this with one hand. I don't want to, destroy the bike before I even have a good time with it. So, here, the pedals. Nice metal, heavy duty plastic on there, just like all the other ones that you come around in gyms. You can tighten this up on your foot. Thing of beauty. You want to put a drink in there for those of you who actually ride cross country or whatnot, and you want to practice here at home. What I'm going to do is they sell a little thingy where you can put on there. Oh, there you go. That's a con right here. Anyway, they sell for the juice. You can they have one that goes like right here or something like that, and you can just put a drink on the inside. This is at home. Okay, so what else? Oh, this. The only thing that moves, I don't know if you can see it, only thing that moves on this thing is that. And that's because that is not a tight fit. It goes down at an angle. Now I can see you fixing that by rigging it up. Gotta jimmy it. Stick something in there and it won't move. But I got on that thing, I weigh 220, and I work out a lot. I'm in the gym all the time. So, got a garage gym out there. So, I'm always in the gym. So, I weigh 220. And I do cardio 3-4 times a week. What else? For about maybe 45 minutes to an hour every time I do cardio. So yeah, this, when you're on it, you don't even notice that it's even shaking, like, it's just right there. But trust me, it's nothing. I mean, this thing is solid construction. Like, it's a win. This bike is definitely a win. That's the only con that I have so far. When you're on the bike, twist it. Okay, so when you're on the bike, twist it this way to make the wheels make it easier, and you twist it this way. Watch the wheels. Watch they stop. They stop because it's absolutely hard. See how they stopped? So let me go back to easy. And there's levels. This is like level 1 right there. That'll be level 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and whatnot. So on. I don't know how far it goes now. What does that say there? Secure release knob. I'm not using. Oh, okay. Secure resistance knob. Well, not using. Okay, so to stop when you're riding, to stop it, you press it in, and the brake will engage, and it will stop. That's the actual like padding that's under there, like a thick pad that stops the wheels from spinning. See? Alrighty, why is this blinking? Well, that's the Bluetooth. It's the Bluetooth because it comes with batteries, by the way. It comes with 2 AA batteries. When you take this out and say you're just putting the batteries in for the first time, it will start blinking. It's blinking because the Bluetooth is working. And when you download the app, get into the app, that's right there. Download that app. I would download that app first. And then put the batteries in, it will start blinking. You open the app up. There's no need to go into your, go ahead, sit over, baby. There's no need to go into your Bluetooth on your phone settings. You go straight to the app, and the app itself, you register on it. I registered through my Apple, but you can also register it through Facebook, as well as just go ahead and put your own password in, and you know, your own user ID and password. So you have your own user ID, password. Then you can log in by Facebook, or you can log in by Apple. So it is in the Apple App Store. So I want you to hear how quiet this thing is. Go really, really fast, babe. Faster, faster. There you go. Very quiet. Quieter than my fan that we have in our room. I mean, this thing is nice and quiet. So there you go. Like I said, I like everything about it. And she stops it with the stop button. If this thing gets wiggly and off balance, well, right here at the bottom, oh, here we go. Right here at the bottom, they have these. They literally, let me see if I can go lower. When you turn them, they go up and down so you can adjust the balance. So, yeah, everything on this bike is nice. You will not go wrong with buying this thing. I don't think you will, at least. I've used gym equipment. I have gym equipment. You know what? Here, I'm going through my house, so I'm gonna cover my phone up. I got my other daughter sitting right there. And, you know, teenagers don't like to be on video. All right, so here's my credentials. I've got a nice workout. Yep, that's me. How you doing? I've got a nice, yeah, that's my setup right here. I left everything in here. Everything in here I left. That's my elliptical right there. I pushed that over because of the bike is gonna go right here. So yeah. There you go. That's everything. Even have a TV in there and all my tools and stuff. So yeah. There you go. All right. Thanks for watching my review. If you got this far, I'm gonna put it out here and put it to the test. Get my workout on.
This is the MERACH bike. It was an easy setup. It does have a display screen. The only thing is that it's not in miles. It's in kilometers. It's easy to adjust. It has a seat that adjusts, a valve here that adjusts the level of the seat, the height of the seat. This knob also adjusts the wideness from the seat to the handlebars. And it's a smooth ride. Let's see. Get on here and we'll start to do it. And it has like a mode button here. You can see what speed you're going on. And this is the dial for the resistance. And you can feel it. But this is in kilometers. I believe the speed is in kilometers and your distance is in kilometers, and the odometer reading is on kilometers as well.
I have to tell you, I really love this product. I used it yesterday, last night, and this morning. I am a little over 300 pounds, but it is easy, absolutely easy to use. You fit it to your body type, your specifications that you like, your arm length. It's very easy to use. It's very quiet. It was not expensive at all. I recommend this product, and it's very comfortable to sit in. And I'm very wide-hipped, so I recommend this. Buy it.
Boise just received that